What's going on, guys? So we're back with another video, just a quick little thing. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting the fog lights in the car that we got and wheel studs, because BMW have this super annoying bolt stud and it's super annoying to put tires on and off. So what we're going to do is we're going to smash these guys in, that way it's easy to put tires on and off. So let's get right to it today and get all the tires off and start popping these bad boys in. Alright guys, so we got all the tires off. Now I just gotta take all the calipers off and rotors off so we can actually put the studs in. But this is what I mean. BMW has this, which is super annoying because you gotta fight with the tire, and then as you're fighting with the tire to put it on, you gotta fight with these guys, and it's super annoying and you look like an idiot. So instead of having that, what we're gonna have is, get it out of here. You'll basically have this stud sticking out. And then you just put the wheels on with that. So much easier. I'm not sure why Germany decided to design these with their cars, but it's one thing they didn't do right, to be honest. So let's get to ripping all the rotors off. Alright guys, so one thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna clean these threads up. I'm just gonna throw a tap through it just to clean them up because there's gunk in it, and I'm gonna be putting a Loctite on these studs just to help hold them in a little bit better. So I'm just gonna go around threading this in nicely, just kind of getting all the gunk out, and then we will put the studs in. Alright guys, so all the studs are in. It already looks way better, and it also looks like I don't have to look like an idiot now every time I want to put my tires on, because there's studs now to line it up. So I'm gonna get everything put back on, and then we'll see actually how much easier it is to load it, put a tire on and not look like an idiot. So let me get everything put back together. Alright guys, so everything's put back together all the way around the car. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give a quick clip just to show how easy it is to put the tires on with these studs now, because you know, Germans just don't do it that good. So let me get some studs. We got the cool little red ones, you know, hot boy status. What all you gotta do now is look them up, put it on, you're done. That easy. I don't know why Germany, you know, BMW and everybody didn't do this originally, but now I don't have to look like an idiot. So that's it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna come back to the clips, because I actually already have the fog lights installed. So I'm gonna cut to a clip of that and go from there. Alright guys, so a little bonus clip to this. When I got the car, there was actual fog lights in here. One was missing, one was still on it, but then I ended up running one over. So that's kind of shitty, but it was whatever. So I ended up buying new ones. Now these are just off Amazon. This one I just put in, so that's what it's gonna look like. They're just little cheapies. I figured it's better to have them than not have them, because you never know. Plus my headlights don't work, so 12 volt, not too bright, but whatever, they're cheap. I think they're like 30 bucks, but it is what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna shrink this. Sorry, we're gonna put shrink tube on these and then one over top, and we're just gonna use a little crimp. Nothing special. I don't need them to be fancy or properly done. It's just a little beater car anyway. So I'm going to crimp that up, and then the fog lights are now going to be installed. Alright guys, so wheels are all put on, torqued down, everything's good. Fog lights are in. Don't mind the headlights, they actually don't work. That's why I have fog lights. Studs worked out great. So just like and subscribe, and there's going to be more stuff coming. Just a little bit by little bit with everything going on, but it's coming along. So just follow along. There's going to be some more videos coming soon, maybe with the truck, maybe with the car. I'm not too sure yet. We'll see what happens.